Hi, today I want to show you the smart and programmable robot I bought from my nephew. This is the interactive RC robot, also with voice control app, by the way. I will get to it, and this is generally recommended for kids from age of 4 all the way to like 9 years old, maybe older. Now, when you open the box, you see the robot right away in this plastic. So I would suggest to lay it down flat since it's actually not secured to the plastic. Then you remove the plastics. So this is the robot. I will get to it in a second. But let's see what else we got in the box. First, we got the USB charging wire. Now, this robot actually came pre-charged to me. Also, I have this white controller pad. Obviously, this is to program the robot, does make and move and other functions. Also, speaking about the controller, it requires two AA batteries and they are not included. Then you have the disclaimer, the safety guidelines, quick startup guide, and of course the user's manual. Now, I like the way this robot looks, and it looks like a little spaceman. You could definitely see there's a lot of moving parts, and it has even the wiggling mechanism in the middle so you can move even cooler. Now on the back you have the on and off switch button plus the charging port. Now when you put the robot on it, it says a couple of things like this: when you're going to leave it on standby for a pretty short period of time, it's actually going to start doing some actions of its own. I guess you can technically say it becomes alive by himself. So with this remote controller, you can make the robot move certain ways. You can even increase the speed, make it turn, make it raise the arms, and even sing a bunch of songs and etc. It is really fun to see how it moves. Even without installing the app, this is really a lot of fun already. But of course, you can install the app as well. So you can scan the barcode in the manual and just install the app from there. Oh, also don't forget to connect to the Bluetooth. Now, once you install the app, you have in more functions. You can make a couple of more specific moves. Also, you can very quickly switch song the robot is singing simply by clicking the song button. You can additionally make this little robot tell the story. Of course, you can click it multiple times to change the story. So this is really nice for the kids for sure. You also have this kind of joystick in the app, so you can make the robot turn in circles like that and make it wiggle, raise the arms, and many different functions. And additionally, you can make it do gymnastics. This robot is definitely a lot of fun. And then, besides all of that, you have actually voice commands, so you can say something like I love you," and that's funny how he responded to many different ways. Now you can make the another voice command and many others. Also, there's actually a voice recording button in the robot, so you can record 15-second message, and that's great if you want to leave some really nice message for your child. Let's say you're going to work in the morning and the child's sleeping, so you can record some really cool message and the child will click the button and the message will play. It's just a little extra feature, but it's definitely nice. So not only the robot looks really cool, it's definitely nice and advanced toy, but I think more importantly it will bring a lot of joy because this is such a fun toy.